Good afternoon, I'm Keith from Backspec Cape Town. Today we're just going to shortly discuss lower control arm bushes and what it means when your technician or your dealership phones you to say that your lower control arm bushes are worn. In the video you'll see what worn bushes look like. Just to remember that these are on your car's suspension. They are responsible for stability in your car. And if they are worn, it will affect the handling of your vehicle and also the stability of your vehicle on the road. They come in various shapes and sizes, as can be seen over here. This is an example of a lower control arm with new bushes. These are the bushes here. And this is more examples of them. This bush typically would fit in there. And this bush would typically fit in the other section over here. Now this here is made of bonded rubber. It's a very rigid compound of rubber, and it needs to be because it needs to keep your car stable on the road. They must not be worn or cracked or broken in any way. So this is what we mean that we are going to replace the control arm bushes on your vehicle.